Ladies and gentlemen, this is Amit Sharma from C21 Infinity presenting you this customly built masterpiece in North Kellyville for sale. Welcome to number 3 Neyland Circuit. Let's take a tour, guys. This tunnel is nestled on 427 square meter block of land. It has 5 bedroom, 3 bathroom, double garage, a media room and multiple living areas. Thank you very much for watching the video, guys. We look forward to see you at the open homes and auction.